Hello to everybody that's on social media. I'm making this GoFundMe page because, you know, I just can't do it without you guys. I love the people, and, that's why I like, working around people. But I'm a truck driver, and my truck broke down. And, well, the company that I used to work for, I wish them well, but there's nothing I could do. But this is why I'm making this. So, I'm asking you guys to help out as much as possible. But here's the first video. So I'm gonna get three.
You're gonna need 3 intake front, 3 exhaust front, and 3 intake rear, 3 intake, exhaust rear. So okay. You got front and rear. There are 3.
So I'm gonna need 3 and 3.
Yeah. So basically you need 6 front ones, 6 rear ones, 3 intake, 3 exhaust, 3 intake, 3 exhaust.
And the camshaft.
And the camshaft. But I'll call my guy so he can put everything.
Okay.
I'll call my guy, he can put everything, then you just go over there and pay.
Okay.
And also, I don't know if the thermostat comes on the kit for the cylinder head. If not, then we're gonna need the thermostat gaskets. I'm gonna need exhaust manifold bolts. I'm not gonna use the old ones because Cummins, I don't know what kind of material is it.
Exhaust manifold bolts.
Yeah, but we were lucky that we got them out. Anyway, It's just gonna make the same problem again. It's gonna make those lines.
Okay, that's one.
Yeah, this is one, so we're gonna have 1. 2, 3.
So are all these rocker arms the same?
These 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 of them?
8 of them. So
8 rocker arms.
it's just the same problem again. It's gonna make those.
So as you can see, my liners blew out, and it caused the rocker arms and the camshaft to go bad. And here's some of the pictures. I'm really wishing that my truck was assembled and put back together, and that I can get back with the company that will accept me and everything. This is the company that I used to work for. Like I said, I've always been a pretty stand-up guy and everything, and I just need help with my truck. I'm accepting all donations and everything like that. I don't need, you know, I mean, I'm trying, I'm working, and, I'm going to contribute to this GoFundMe to get everything going, but I need you guys' help. Thank you.